I'm Elizabeth Mahusai, author, speaker, cultivator, and one of the things that I cultivate, is an online marketplace. It's called Devoted, and I offer 13 brands through the Devoted marketplace. One of those brands would be Joyn Bags. And Joyn Bags is an incredible effort in really making a difference in ensuring that folks who are in need of, first of all, employment to be protected from sex trafficking, slave trafficking, all of those things. So when you see, and I will post afterwards, the link to the YouTube video of how the Joyn Bags company, just is making such a difference. You are just going to be floored. Okay, so what I have here is the box that was delivered earlier, and I thought it might be fun for you to get to see them firsthand because they just shipped out, and I don't know, who all is getting them when, but I did share this into my VIP group. I shared it into a mega party that we're doing called the August Give Back Gathering for Penny Marshall and a whole bunch of us, our team. And I shared it into Fully Devoted. So if you're seeing this, depending on from where you're seeing it, that is why. Because I thought, why not share the love with my girlfriends who want to see these beautiful bags? Okay. It's open. Now I'm going to tear the paper. Okay, so the first thing, okay, look. All right, so this is the crossbody bag. So that's what these are for. And I'm dropping it. All right, you ordered the Weekender and the makeup bag. Okay, I did not get the makeup bag. I got the Weekender bag and the crossbody. So it's got this pocket right here that you see here, and it's got the wristlet here. And so, of course, here is let me just flip this so that you're able to see. There we go. All right, so there's Joyn and Devoted and handmade in India. Raipur. I might not be saying that correctly, but it's handmade in India. And when I say handmade, I mean handmade. This is genuine leather, so I'm going to unzip it. All right. So here's the strap for the crossbody, and look at this gorgeousness inside. Okay. So up here you have the zipper pouch for your change. And I love this. This is hand stamped. Okay, when they do this, they hand stamp every single one, okay? And then this is for your cards, your driver's license, and then you've got a spot for your bills. Look at that, so beautiful. So a couple of options there. And of course, you have the crossbody strapping, which is also a beautiful leather, and the ability to adjust how long it is. And so I wanted to get this because just the last couple of weeks, Fred and I have gone to these concerts. They're like cover band concerts, but I wanted something that was small. So here it is. Look at that. So fun. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get this. And I'm so excited that I get to show it to you, which is a lot of fun. Okay, so the crossbody bag is definitely a great addition, especially if you just want a quick, and this literally, you could take this off and this could serve as your wallet. And then when you want to put it on as a crossbody, you just pull out the strap and put it on as a crossbody. That's one of the things that I really appreciate about this. Yes, I'm telling you, the detail, Monica, your seamstress friend who was incredibly impressed. Listen, all of this stitching along the zipper inside. This is quality craftsmanship. Quality. And it shows. It's also priced very well also. Okay, here is the Weekender bag. Look at this. All right, so here are the handles, And look at that beautiful pattern. Again, every single one hand stamped. And I want to open this up. Look at that in there. It smells so good. I love the smell of a good bag. I'm just telling you, I'm a purse girl. I love purses and I love bags. They joke with me at the church. They call me the bag lady because I always have a bag. I love bags, okay? So this, again, the Joyn Bags company, their give back is that they are employing people in India that would otherwise potentially be in sex trade. They just literally need employment. And so they train them as seamstresses, and then they set about to hand stamp, handcraft, sew. I mean, the quality is amazing. I love the thicker handles, which if this is filled, having thicker handles, you see that, it makes it more comfortable when you're carrying it. So I think that's also an important detail of this. So there you have it, the weekender bag and the crossbody bag that is also a wallet. I really do love these. Okay, so here is, yes, the structured bottom. There you go. Thank you for reminding me to show that. And these, which help to, when you're putting it on the ground, help to protect it as much as you possibly can. And it's also, it's got some structure, to use Monica's words, a structured bottom. So there is the weekender bag. Okay, so here's the thing. If you're watching this, you need to contact your affiliate in order to add one of these to your shopping cart and begin to enjoy them. Because what I expect is that once we start getting these in the hands of people, they are going to fall in love, and they likely will sell out very quickly because they're coming from India. That whole process takes time. So I want to encourage you: do not delay. Pick one of these up today. Do you like my little rhyme there? Do not delay. Pick one of these up today. All right, there you have it. The live unboxing of the Joyn crossbody bag and the weekender bag. I appreciate those of you who tuned in, and I am excited to begin to use these my own self, and also to be able to show them to the folks that I serve. You take care. Have a super afternoon. I'm Elizabeth Mahusai, author, speaker, cultivator. If you have not liked my page, may I invite you to do so that you can be notified of when I go live to show new brands and products, and also you'll get some encouragement along the way as well. All right, have a super afternoon and a